Imagine a world where rare viral diseases like Ebola or Zika once had no cure, but now scientists are making progress with cutting-edge treatments. These diseases mutate fast and affect small patient groups, often slipping through traditional medicine's cracks. Take Capricor Therapeutics. They're using cell-based therapies, treatments made from living cells, to tackle rare conditions that other treatments can't reach. But developing these therapies is expensive, time-consuming, and often overlooked because the market isn't big enough. Meanwhile, drug shortages like the 220th active ones in the US save. It's a complex puzzle, but scientists are working hard to solve it. But even with scientific progress, gaps remain. For rare diseases, companies like Capricor Therapeutics develop cell-based therapies like using cells to target conditions no other treatment can reach. But this takes years and billions. Meanwhile, pharmacists report 223 drug shortages in the US, while the FDA tracks far fewer, showing a mismatch that leaves patients vulnerable. Let's explore Capricor Therapeutics, a company pioneering cell-based therapies using living cells and exosomes, tiny particles that act like delivery drones for medicine. Unlike traditional drugs, these therapies target rare diseases at the cellular level, offering precision but requiring years of development and high costs. While they show promise, patients still face shortages of existing treatments, highlighting the gap between scientific innovation and real-world healthcare needs. Imagine your immune system as a search team, scanning for threats but missing some. Exosomes, tiny vesicles carrying proteins, act like precision delivery systems, targeting viral diseases with accuracy. Unlike traditional drugs that flood the body, exosomes zero in on problems, such as Capricor Therapeutics' exosome-based therapy for rare conditions. However, their development is costly and time-consuming, leaving patients vulnerable during drug shortages. But what if technology could analyze your health data like a detective, finding patterns no human eye can see? Decent Holding is using AI to revolutionize preventative care by turning raw health data into personalized treatment plans. Imagine a system that learns from your DNA, lifestyle, and even tiny changes in your body, like a GPS for your wellness, guiding doctors to act before illness strikes. This isn't just about treating diseases. It's about preventing them, tailored just for you. Just like farmers use data to grow healthier crops, scientists are turning health data into smarter treatments. Companies like CNH analyze soil and weather patterns to optimize farming. Imagine doing the same for your body. AI scans DNA, lifestyle, and tiny changes in our bodies, acting like a wellness GPS. It predicts illnesses before they strike, tailoring prevention just for you. This isn't just about treating diseases. It's about preventing them, revolutionizing how we stay healthy. Even with identical DNA damage, two mice can develop completely different cancers. A groundbreaking Nature study showed this happens because of inherited genetic differences, like a hidden code that shapes how tumors evolve. This isn't just about cancer. It's a clue for understanding why some people get rare viral diseases while others don't. By studying these tiny genetic variations, scientists are unlocking new ways to predict and treat illnesses before they strike. But not all treatments work the same for everyone. Even if two people share identical DNA damage, like in a study where mice with the same genetic injury develop different cancers, the outcome depends on tiny inherited differences. These hidden variations act like a code, shaping how diseases evolve. By studying these differences, scientists can predict and tailor treatments to prevent illnesses before they strike, offering hope for rare viral diseases. Imagine waiting months for a life-saving drug, only to find out it's in short supply. Right now, over 200 medicines are scarce in the US, leaving patients like Sarah, who needs an experimental treatment for her rare disease without options. Drug shortages aren't just delays, they're roadblocks that slow down science and hurt people who need treatments now. But what if we could bridge this gap with something as small but powerful as exosomes? These tiny natural particles act like delivery trucks, carrying healing instructions to cells. But what if we could bridge this gap with something as small but powerful as exosomes? By studying how these work in rare diseases, scientists are designing smarter, faster therapies, ones that adapt to your body's unique code. Not just a one-size-fits-all approach. But what if we could bridge this gap with something as small but powerful as exosomes? These tiny natural particles act like delivery trucks, carrying healing instructions straight to cells. By studying how these work in rare diseases, scientists are designing smarter, faster therapies, ones that adapt to your body's unique code, not just a one-size-fits-all approach. AI and big data are speeding up this process, analyzing vast amounts of health information to create personalized treatments. For example, Decent Holdings Network in China combines AI with community healthcare, helping scientists uncover patterns and accelerate discoveries that could change lives. These breakthroughs aren't just about treating rare diseases, they're about rewriting the rules of medicine itself. Imagine a future where AI scans your unique genetic code, while exosomes act like tiny delivery trucks, carrying treatment straight to your cells. It's not science fiction. It's what happens when science listens to the body's hidden language. But progress needs support, whether it's ensuring drugs are available when needed or connecting patients with cutting-edge research. That's how we turn hope into real change for everyone. You don't have to be a scientist to make a difference. Supporting research, staying informed about clinical trials, or advocating for better drug policies can help bridge the gap between discovery and treatment. For example, you could volunteer for studies like Capricor Therapeutics' exosome-based trials, or check if your local Decent Holding Network in China offers AI-driven health data programs. Every small action like sharing your story or donating to rare disease research adds up. Together, we can turn groundbreaking science into real change. You don't have to be a scientist to make a difference. Supporting research, staying informed about clinical trials like Capricor Therapeutics' exosome-based treatments, or advocating for better drug policies can help bridge the gap between discovery and treatment. Sharing your story or donating to rare disease research adds up, just like how tiny exosomes deliver healing instructions to cells. Together, we turn groundbreaking science into real change. If you're fascinated by this topic, share this video with a friend or subscribe to learn more about it.